Hi guys, I'll be trying to teach graph even though I don't know much. But I've heard that they use graph in Google Maps to the dating app, so I thought worth learning. So a graph is just a group of dots, as you can see, dots. These are the dots. Okay. Yep. So these are called vertices, and the line that is connecting them is called edge. So as you can see, we have 5 vertices and 5 edges. Okay, so I have written the what do you call it, the definition as well. A collection of nodes, graph is nothing but a collection of nodes called vertices and a connections between them, that is called edge. If I slide a bit, as you can see, yeah, so that's how we usually write it. After this, we'll be knowing about the type of graphs we have. So the first one is a directed graph and the undirected graph. It's nothing but they just follow. Like directed graph, it actually follows. Just A follows C. No, sorry, C follows A follows B, and B follows C. So more of a stalking thing. So undirected graph actually it's two-way, it's not one way. As I told you, this is one way. C follow A follow B, and B follow C, but C doesn't follow B. But this is A follows B, but B follows A follows C, C follows A. That's how it works. They're all stalker, and they're stalking, but to a particular person. So then we have weighted graph and unweighted graph. For example, if you have, these are the destination, okay, that you have to reach. So you need to give a value to like how much time it takes from going to C to A. So you can give a value to the edge. At that case, it will be a weighted graph. For example, from destination A to B takes 5 hours. So that's how you can put a value on the edge. Okay. And unweighted, it doesn't have anything. It's a plain, same thing. It doesn't have any weight on the edge. Cyclic graph is more of like it's like you text your ex, they reply, and boom, you're back in the loop. Yeah, you should have stayed acyclic, but never mind. So cyclic is like from where you started, you go back to that again. So you started from A, you're going to C, and C going to B, B is going to A. So it's a cyclic. And if it is acyclic, as you can see, if you started from A and then you're going B, then you're going D and then C, but from C you're not going back. So which is why it is acyclic. And last but not the least, yeah. So this one, the type of graphs, it is a connected and unconnected graph. By connected graph, like it's more like a gossip group, okay? So everyone is talking. They're all connected. Like A can connect gossip to B, and B can gossip to N, and to M and O. So they're all connected. But when I disconnected, this is also a graph only, but they are disconnected. So N cannot talk to A, even though no matter how juicy the gossip is, they have to wait till they get connected.